Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota Camry steering wheel. First, make sure you have the correct key and insert it completely into the ignition. Next, gently apply pressure to the steering wheel, either to the left or right. While holding that pressure, turn the key to the ACK or ON position. This combination of actions should release the steering wheel lock, allowing you to start your vehicle smoothly. You might wonder why your steering wheel locks in the first place. It's actually a clever anti-theft security feature designed to protect your vehicle. The lock engages automatically when you remove the key and then turn the steering wheel even slightly. This mechanism makes it impossible to steer the car without the proper key, adding an important layer of protection against unauthorized use. For Macs equipped with an Apple silicon chip, the method is a bit different. Instead of a key combination, you will press and hold the power button. Continue holding this button down for about 10 seconds. You will see loading startup options appear on your screen, followed by a gear icon and the word options. Release the power button at this point. To help prevent your steering wheel from locking unexpectedly in the future, try to avoid turning the wheel after you've removed the key from the ignition. Always make sure your key is fully inserted before attempting to turn it. By practicing these simple steps, you'll be well prepared to quickly and easily unlock your steering wheel should it ever happen again, saving you time and frustration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.